Okay guys, I hope you can hear me. So if you can hear me, just type it that you can hear and you can see my screen. Very good. Sorry, I nearly lost you guys there. So let me know. Type your name, where you are calling from today, where you are joining us from today before we start. So I know everybody is with us. What about the pictures? Can you see the screen? Oh, is the network? It's choppy. Great. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Lovely to see you here, everyone. Thank you. From Boston, Massachusetts, in the US, from Namibia. Screen is good. Okay. So we need to sort out the voice. Okay. So the screen is fine. The voice is the problem. So please bear with me today. I will fix the voice. Okay. Excellent. Moses, thank you very much. Joseph, great stuff. Excellent. Oh, that's Gagan Use from Dubai. Oh, nice Dubai. Very hot, right? Oh, Netherlands. Marvin, nice to see you. Larry. Oh, good. Thank you very much, Larry, for confirming that. Okay, excellent. FX Charge Mogul. Voice is good now. Oh, bless you. Thank you very much, Lopez. Thank you very much, Lopez. Mozambique. Eugene from South Africa. Great. Hotman. Good to see you. All you, my fans. Good to see you all here. Joseph. Oh, yummy. Oh, good to see you. Vladimir. Good. Swanjogi. Oh, lovely. I love to hear from all of you. In fact, it's fantastic. Milky Jeff. Blacks Pulero. Mohammed Osman. GK. Jates. Great. Lovely to see all of you here. I'm so glad that you are here. And it's good to see you, and I just want to make sure that I get most of us on the online before we start. This is my first one, so I'm so happy and delighted that all of you are able to join me here today. Wonderful. Oh, Referee Nassar, welcome. Ray, welcome. Talk Trading, you are welcome as well. From India, from motherland. Oh, Priya, good to see you, my students. Priya is one of my students. Yeah, Priya, nice to see you here. Steve. Wow, 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 wow. Top trading. Wow, wow, wow. You guys are fantastic. JJ. Wow, 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 wow. Excellent. Okay, guys. So I will not take your time too much today. What I really want to do is to make sure the last strategy I discussed with you guys, I want to make sure you understand it, and I want us to look at what happened in the market today and look whether we have a signal or we don't have a signal, because I know each and every one of you you try to look into your chart and try to see whether there is something going on or whether you have a trade or not, if you are not sure. So this time around is to deconstruct, is to look at what happened from when the market started today, especially from the European session, and see our strategy. So what is the outcome? So I'm glad that all of you are here. I can see Anderson from Kenya is here as well. Oh, Soma, good to see you. Mukesh from Delhi, oh, good to see you. I hope you can all hear me and understand my accent, and you can hear my English, because we all speak different languages, English, different places. So happy that you're all here today. Good. The equity trade said it didn't get a box this morning. You are correct. So that is exactly what we are going to look at right now. So on my screen here, if you can all see my screen, remember we talk about the European sessions starting at 7 o'clock UK time, or 9 o'clock if you use IC market. This is IC market, as you can see, it's IC market. And if you look at this indicator that I've put on here, it has drawn this box for us. So that candle, if you just look at here, you can see that candle is 9 o'clock. That is 9 o'clock IC market time. That is European Open, Frankfurt Open. So indicator, however, you might not see the settings when I did the video. So let me quickly show you the settings. Let's just make sure you are still all following me. Okay, are you all still following me? Let me know by typing in there if you can still hear me. Follow me. Can you still hear me? Great stuff. Okay, great stuff. Right, so now let me show you the indicator. So when I right click the chart, I get the indicator, which is the sessions indicator. I have sent it to most of you. If you haven't received this, what you need to do is to go back to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, look for that video. Is the last one. It is called Simple Breakout Strategy, and ask me to send you the indicator. So if you look at session, okay, this indicator, actually you can set up different sessions, not just for European. You can set up Asian session, Europe session, you can set up US as well. But what we are trying to do is to set up just one session, just 1 hour. We only need 1 hour. So what I discover is that if I start at 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, it seems to miss the first minute and the last and include an extra minute. So instead of saying 9 to 10, instead of 9 to 10 a.m., I just took 1 minute out of each. So I just took 1 minute out of this one. So 8:59 to 9:59. It wouldn't make much difference, but I just want it to be more accurate and exact. It wouldn't make much difference if we have it at 9 o'clock to none. That's why it's not showing on the chart. For Asian session, I say color, no color. So that's why you don't see any color on the chart. The only color you see on the chart is this purple color, because I allow the color. If I don't want it to show, I will just click it and say no color, none, but I want it to show on the chart. So okay, I think we all got that now. Yes, so this is the 9 o'clock candle, and we have drawn the high and the low of that candle. So let's pick okay guys, okay, is it better now? Okay, good guys, good everybody, thanks so much. We're gonna fix all the glitches, don't worry. This is the first time, and moreover you guys are connecting from different places. I'm connecting from the UK, so sometimes it's might not be the best connection all the time, so bear with us. So what I was saying is, we've drawn our lowest and the highest for that candle, right? So, and we are in a 1 hour chart. So what we do next is to go to 5-minute charts. Okay, so when we get to 5-minute chart, we want to see the high and the low again on the 5-minute chart. So let me just zoom out of this a little bit so we can see. Okay, great stuff. So we can see that is the box. That is the box. You know the box? That's the box. The high that we drew on the 1 hour, and the one we drew on the high and the low of the 1 hour. There we go. Now, if you remember our training, the video says to go long, you must have a candle that form completely outside of this box. Completely outside of this box. As you can see now, there is no candle that form completely outside of this box. You will agree with me. The only candle that touches it are this candle and the next candle, but they touched, but they never, even if they close above it, it doesn't qualify. It has to form completely outside. That is the high, low, close, and open. OHLC, open, high, low, close. Everything must be outside the box to buy. The same way here, everything must be outside the box here to sell if it's breaking downwards. If it's breaking upwards, when we have a sell, buy, it will be completely outside. When we have a break downwards, it will be completely outside the box. So as you can see, we have defined our trade range very early on today. In fact, the first 1 hour of today, we have defined our daily range. We said we're going to start from here, and this is about 7 o'clock. We started low here. By 8 o'clock GMT, by 8 o'clock GMT, we've reached the high. So we maintain that high and low up to today, up to now. This is live chart now. This is the current candle. So what it shows us that the first hour is very, very important, because some of the actions that is going to take place will happen in the first hour, and it will determine what happens next. Let's assume today, let's take it that today there is not momentum in the market today, because it was very quiet. Even when the US session comes in, it wasn't that as much effective as it used to be. Remember that today is a public holiday in some countries. However, the forex market still operates. Stock markets are closed in the UK, I believe in the US and some other countries. So that's why we didn't see much momentum. We didn't see much volatility today. But that is the nutshell. That is just the basic principle behind this strategy. Let's see if we understand it. Did we under any questions so far? Anybody with any question? Okay, Linus say he didn't receive the indicator. So why did you ask for it? Linus, did you ask for the indicator? Yes, no box today. Equity, yes, no box. Okay. Yes, pretty straightforward. Your box didn't populate. The equity trade. You mean on your charts? Moses, your box didn't populate on your charts? Which breakout might be different. This is first hour breakout session for European session breakout. Okay, Leward, please resend your go back to the YouTube channel and ask for it. Sometimes the email provided might not be okay, so sometimes it bounces back. Anyone that needs the indicator, please go back to the YouTube channel so you can ask for it on the video itself. As usual, I will respond to you as soon as possible. Oh, Lanre, be patient. You will get it. Don't worry. You will get your indicator. Don't worry. Oh, where we find holiday? You go to forexfactory.com. You can see all the holidays there. No, Brandon, to take the trade, you have to watch for the candle, 5 minutes candle to be formed outside of the box. When you see a 5 minutes candle that is formed completely outside the box, that is your trade trigger. No. Abraham, no more trade today. It is too late now. Yeah, if you look at the time, there's no need to look for a trade anymore. Actually, if you are in the market till almost half of US trading time and there's no trade, I think you pack your computer and that's it for today, waiting for the next tomorrow. To get the indicator, just go to the YouTube channel, ask me for it, I'll send it to you, put your email address there. Also Moses, the same thing. Okay, Steve, please bear with me. I will resend it to you if I have your correct email address. You're welcome, Sunny. Yes, so guys, I'm building a website very soon, as Sonny has just mentioned, and Nweke. I'm building a website and I will put all my indicators there so you can log in. You won't have to come to YouTube anymore. But because a lot of us don't have a website before, so that's why I use YouTube. So, but very soon you won't have to put your email address on YouTube anymore going forward. Okay, good. You understand it now. Well, the normal win rate, I will suggest that you test it since you have the indicator. Mark, try to look at the what happened in the past. You should be able to get some indication. Whether I reckon about 80%. Yes, no trade today at all. No trade today. Email it will be sent. The indicator will be sent to you by email. Technocar. Great. Thanks for joining, AGK. I'm here to help as much as I can. So if you have any question, just shoot. And everyone here is ready to help you as well. We are working all together for the same goal, to make sure that we are successful traders. My email address will be sent to you when you request for indicator. No, you're not late. Job, you're not late. You're not late. You can see my chart. If you look at my last video, you could see what we have been chatting about. It's just about whether we have a signal today or not. But unfortunately, there's no signal. Actually, fortunately, because some people lost money today for jumping into the wrong trade. But we don't have to jump into the wrong trade when there is nothing there to trade. Risk reward on this one is automatically you have to determine the risk reward at the point of entry your trade. The box size is your stop loss. The size of the box is your stop loss, and your take profit target will be size of the box as well. So 1-to-1, nearly 1-to-1 reward ratio, but that is TP1. You have the second take profit, which is twice the size of the box, which is 1:2. You're welcome, Sunny. The indicator is called session MQ4. Sessions MQ4. You can find it online if you Google for it. Sessions MT4. Just make sure you get the right one. Oh, great, Marvin. You tested it on gold and it works. Excellent. Agilori. No, you're not late, Joseph. No, you're not late. Yes, so talk trading. Yes, we tested it on GBP USD. I've got a lot of people that ask me whether it could be used on other pairs. Yes, of course. But what I would say is that you should test it before you go for it. Why did you lose money today? $3.54. There's no trade on that signal today, as you can see. Or go back to YouTube, search for Make More 8, and you will see it's the last video I released, Emmanuel. Yeah, group chat on Facebook is coming very soon. Be on the lookout. Telegram, WhatsApp, I'm not so sure about that, but Telegram and Facebook will come very soon. Joseph, GBP USD for this particular strategy I recommend. No, Mark, you can open one order but close half of it if you prefer. Say you open one standard lot, you can close 0.5, or let's say you open 0.02 lots, you can close 0.01 and leave the second position to reach the TP2. Yeah, you can scalp it as well. Yes, you can use it to scalp. Lou, not only on GU, it's recommended on GU, but I would say you try it on other pairs, especially all the major pairs, and check it and see the performance. Oh yeah, India market is bad today. Oh, it's everywhere, my brother. Okay. Lou Grapple, did you went into buy or a sell today? No. The first hour of the market, there's no way candle can be outside the market. Candle will always be inside the box, inside the line. So the previous hour is not the hour we are looking at. Maybe somebody is suggesting, let me just show you. So this is what we are looking at. If you can see my screen, that's the first minute we are looking at, and that's the last minute. So there's nothing outside that. If you look at 1 hour, let me zoom, make it bigger for you. I hope this is the biggest. This is the candle we are looking into. This candle. See, that's the highest of that candle, that line. This is the lowest of that candle here. Okay, so this candle that punched the highest line didn't qualify. When you look at it in 5 minutes, as we have seen before, it didn't qualify because at 5-minute candle level, let me scroll it, guys, so you can see. All right, so this is at 5 minutes level. You can see, even though it punches the high line, right, the highest point of the day for the hour, but this candle never closes the high, low, and close. It's not outside this box. So you can see the low is inside the box. That's why it did not qualify. So we will not take this trade. We will just wait for a particular candle. Let's say, let's assume that the line was here. Yeah. So which candle will qualify? This candle will qualify, that will qualify, that will qualify, that will qualify. All these candles will qualify, not this one. Okay. If it's here, which candle will qualify? This candle will qualify, that will qualify, this candle, this one, not this candle, not that candle. This candle barely qualify, this will not qualify, that will not qualify. So you're only looking for candle that closes completely outside the box. Yeah. Okay, guys and ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's it's 1/2 so I'm going to round it up at 30 minutes. Thank you so much, everybody that joined. I hope you had a good time. I hope you are able to understand it. So if there's any way of doing it tomorrow, time permit, I will do live again tomorrow. But just for me to understand, was the quality of the sound, does it get better towards the end, or the video? Which of them do you think needs some adjustment to work? Okay, Richard, yeah, you didn't miss very much. What happened is on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, please go there and request for the indicator. I will send it to you. Okay, I will bring out my website very soon, and I'll let you guys know. I know I have a lot of followers and people that likes me and likes my work, so I'm just going to make sure I keep all of you informed of what I'm doing next. Oh, thank you very much, Larry. You said no need of adjustment. Thank you very much. Yes, so major currency pairs up here, GU, pound dollar, euro dollar, USD francs, USD Japanese yen, Australia US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, USD francs. All of those, you can test them on it. Oh, excellent. Sound is good. I'm happy with that. Oh, from Brazil, Rexlux, Piaxlo from Brazil. Nice to see you here. Okay. Talk trading. I will try. See if any way to eliminate the background motion. Okay. I will try and Google for how to do that. Oh, thanks for being a subscriber. Thank you so much. Oh, is it good streaming? Excellent. Thanks. Thank you very much. Oh, hourly box. Okay, yeah, so hourly box, I've shown it earlier. So if I go back to 1 hour, here, this is the 1 hour. So the indicator, if you go on my YouTube channel and look at my last video, which is Simple Breakout Strategy, I promise to give you this indicator. So just make a comment and ask for it. I'll send it to you. But basically, this is what it is. I hope you can see it. I hope so. Yeah, so here you have it's called sessions indicator. It's sessions. So you have Asian session, Europe session, and you have the US session. But you don't need the US session, you don't need the Asian session. All you need is just when does Euro session begin. We say it's normally at 9 o'clock, but we want to capture just a minute before that. And when does it end? It ends at 10 o'clock. That's 1 hour. We're looking just 1 hour, the first hour of the European session. So it should be 9 to 10. But for us to capture the last bit of information before the market open, and we don't want to get the first 9 o'clock information or 10 o'clock information, that's why we make it 8:59 to 9:59. But even if we make it 9 to 10, it wouldn't make much difference to it. So that's how we got the box on 1 hour. Then from that 1 hour, we go back to 5 minutes. And then from 5 minutes, you can see, this was not today. Let's go back to today. Okay, from 5 minutes, you can see, where's today? Yeah, that's today on 5 minutes. Okay. All right, guys. I'm so glad I can speak to you, all of you, and you can see my screen. So I hope we're going to talk. Yes, 9 a.m. No, not 9 a.m. UK time. It is 7 a.m. UK time. But because I use IC market, see, I use IC market. If you look at the time now, let me show you something quickly. If you look at the time now, okay, my time now is UK is 18:35. But if you look at IC market, view market watch 20:35, but mine is 18:35. I'm sure some other countries are the same as UK, which is 6:35 p.m. but IC market is already 8:35 p.m. so that's why IC market is 2 hours ahead. But you guys, I know some of you might want to know my broker, so that you can, let me see if I can get the link for you. I'm not sure. YouTube, let me see, because it's actually on the YouTube as well. Yes, let me try and find it for you, because if you're on the same broker, even it's on a demo platform, and when I'm describing something, you will see exactly what I'm describing. You won't struggle with it at all. So let me try and find it for you. Where is it? Okay, this is it. I'll copy it. I'll copy and paste for you now. Oh, where's my chart? Okay, all right. So if any of you needs to open a demo account and you want to follow me when I describe these things, it's always good to have the same platform, the same time, everything the same, so you won't, even when you put your indicators on it, it will be automatically set at the right time. So I'm very happy that I have so many people that joined me. I'm sure we've represented almost every country in the in the entire globe. So I'm really happy that you are able to join today, and time permits, I will try and do it tomorrow, but there's no guarantee, guys, you know. It's all about time. So thank you so much. I think I'm have to go now. So thank you so much, everybody. Anybody with the last questions before I go? Okay, yes, Linus, it will come to you. The indicator will come to you. Oh, good luck, my dear student. How are you? Some people have sneaked behind the back of other people, and they got me to mentor them. Like, good luck. Sorry for calling you out. Good luck. And few other ones that I've taught already. Great stuff. Email. Okay, if you want my email, all right, My email will be topquest at, let's type it correctly, topquest at topquest fx .com, topquestfx@outlook.com. Okay, good luck. Thanks, good luck. I know you enjoyed it. Victor B. Okay. Yeah, alright. The information will come shortly, the information will come shortly. Sorry that some people got got ahead. I don't know how they did it, They did it in a funny way. Okay. Yes, so Otman Yusuf, don't worry. Strategy that we are discussing so far, we are going to monitor it for a while, and we can see whether it's actually working. Yes, we tend to use it for the first 1 hour because the principle behind it is that the first hour determines the sentiment for the rest of the day. So if, for example, we are bullish in the first 1 hour, it's most likely the market will remain bullish until the end of European session, and when the US session starts, they will carry on the same momentum, and vice versa. If we have been bearish in the first 1 hour, the likelihood is that it will continue bearish. For some of us that we did physics in secondary school, they said the motion continues unless there's a opposite force that stop that motion. So anything that is in motion will carry on in the same direction, except another force bigger counteract it. So that is the principle we are using for this as well. So first hour, if everything is bullish, it's most likely going to go ahead and continue to be bullish. I've put my email there somewhere here. I will copy it again and send it. Yep, send it here. There we go. That's my email address. So thank you so much, everybody. I think I enjoy it seriously well, probably more than you guys. I'm sure you might enjoy it as well. But I'm happy to be able to show you this stuff. So thank you so much. Be on the lookout. Tomorrow it's possible we might do it again live tomorrow. But if I'm busy or something, but you will see the schedule. So keep checking my channel. You see the schedule. So can I say goodbye then to everybody? I'll see you guys tomorrow. AGK is asking, so is the only European session that you draw the box? Yes, what happened is that there are different versions of this strategy. Okay, some call it Asian session. I've done that in the past as well. The Asian session will take many hours of the Asian period. So it could be like 6 hours trade or trading, or 7 hours of trading. They find the high and the low of that 7 hours. That is Asian session. Some people do what is called European London breakout. If you Google, you see a lot of London breakout strategy. Okay, London breakout strategy means that you start your hour at the London where the London start, and when the London market end, that is where your box will start and end. So it's a different one. Ours is a very 1 hour, the beginning of the European session, the first hour, and then we want to make sure that we are in the market as soon as possible. So sometimes you are in the market the second hour after European session, and sometimes you might wait maybe 2 or 3 hours before your high and low are broken, and it will put you into trade. So don't forget to send it. Okay, yes, no problems. Anyone has asked for indicator today, I will send it to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys. I think we have to go now. See you later. Direct.